finally back home. I've been literally traveling for the past 7 days and I'm super excited to be home in my office. I miss this so much and I'm back. And when I came home, this was waiting for me. This is the Galaxy Note 9. And you're probably thinking, what are you doing, dude? You're an Apple guy. Oh, Apple and I are getting a divorce. What's up everyone, welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. I'm Original Dobo. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. I upload videos every week, so make sure you're here so you don't miss them. You probably are thinking, this is a FOMO purchase, a fear of missing out. Obviously there's a lot of buzz around this Galaxy Note 9, and there really is, but I had long thought I was gonna make the switch to an Android device or some form of Android device when I got rid of my MacBook. I finally just had enough of Apple. I like flexibility and I don't really feel like iOS is too flexible. And yeah, so because of that, I wanted to make a switch to an Android device. When I saw the Pixel, I was like, oh hell no, we are not going with that. And we are divorcing this. This is the iPhone 10 and we had a bit of a falling out via text message and she didn't take it very well. Apple and I, gone. I've made the commitment to the dark side. Haven't used an Android phone in a very long time. I shouldn't say a very long time. I had a Galaxy S9 Plus for like 3 hours, like 2 Fridays ago, and then sent it back. And I think that was more or less because I just wanted the latest and greatest. This version of the Galaxy Note 9 is the 512 gigabyte 8 gig variant, and that's the Snapdragon 845. Why do you need 8 gigs of RAM? Well, you don't. I probably will never use it, but it's really cool to know it's there. Like a lot of times I try to max out everything because I never know when I'm gonna need it. And honestly, this is an investment phone. This is a phone that you can safely keep for 2 years at least and say, you know what? I think it's going to be future-proof. So you're probably looking at me like I'm crazy because this phone was $1,249. That's— Are you kidding me, Dad? You get out of here. You get out of here. Yeah, and probably my wife has no idea that that's how much these cost, but she'll probably see this video and I'll be sleeping on the couch. So it's gonna be a divorce times 2 for the price of 1. But yeah, anyways, it is a big pill to swallow, but honestly, devices are getting more and more expensive and price is only really a problem if it's a problem to you, the purchaser. So if you're okay with spending that much, do it. It's probably gonna be worth it in your eyes. I'm not gonna do a full review. I'm just trying to like do a very different video because there's a lot of videos about this. Ditching this for this. And yeah, I think I can make the switch. There's a lot really, sort of different about it. And obviously a lot of people are gonna be upset because now I'm gonna turn group chat, it's green. And that's really where Apple shines. They sort of make it feel like you have to be a part of that clique. But I'm tired of being a part of that clique. I'm tired of having to keep something just because my bubbles are blue. So I'm not really a fanboy of any brand. I just like what I like, and at this moment, I am going to use a Samsung Note 9. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. We've made the switch. We've kicked Apple to the side. I've got an iPhone 10 just sort of sitting here, and my wife doesn't even want to use it. She hates hand-me-downs. She gets a lot of hand-me-downs. Whatever. What are you gonna do? That's gonna do it for this video. Very different video than my normal, but I'm excited about this phone. I'm just so excited about running Android again. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Look out for some case videos coming up very soon for the Galaxy Note 9, and I'll have my full thoughts as I get a little bit more time with it, but right now we're in that honeymoon period, and it feels really good. Stay Reggie. With the Kobe steak in the toaster, waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlett J and then Natalie.